All right, so welcome everyone. This application right here fits in our channel. Like our target are business owners and also aspiring business owners, especially students in the higher institution who are just getting into business or they want to start business and they don't have the idea yet. So this is just like a program that fits our channel. This is like an opportunity for every aspiring entrepreneur out there. So I feel so glad when I came across this opportunity, and I feel really really proud to share it with you guys. So yes, we are going to apply this together, and as you can see, the Accelerator program is a 5-week intensive training for students, entrepreneurs, and recent graduates across Africa who are ready to build sustainable and scalable businesses. And participants in this program will gain hands-on experience and knowledge through expert-led sessions in business, marketing, finance, and investor pitching. So the program also includes like a panel session with successful student entrepreneurs sharing real-world insights and lessons. So top participants will also receive a 6 to 8 weeks of personalized mentorship and access to valuable resources like templates, guides, checklists to support their growth beyond the program. So I'm sure you guys really discover that you guys can see that this is a perfect opportunity. So yes, we are going to apply this together. And if we are unable to finish this, we would let you know what we will be meeting at the end of the form. So it won't take you more than 5 to 10 minutes. So I would advise that you stay calm, get your information ready, and just fill in. You understand? Yes. So yes, this is I was actually doing this on my phone, and I think my Google form saved it for me. So yes, you input your mail and you go into your personal information, your first and last name, your age, gender, your phone number, email address. So I inputted a business email address, where you live in Lagos, and you can also add a link to your social media on any platform. So I decided to skip this just to let you know that since it is not asterisks, you can skip it for yourself. You can skip it for yourself, you understand? So let's fill this. So as you can see, this is an opportunity for student entrepreneur. That is, if you are still in school and you are into entrepreneurship. Also for recent graduate entrepreneur, and this is a perfect fit for me, I think. So if you are a recent graduate and you are into entrepreneurship, so this is a perfect one for you. So you are bachelor, completing should I include okay completing NYC. If I recent, when did you graduate? This year. So what name? Let's impute this. Yeah. So let's I'm so sorry. University. What are you studying? I still. So we are doing this for you to know what you'll be meeting, alright? And don't trust the information you are seeing here. Not everything is correct. Not everything is correct. So yes, consultant and business management. Yes. How long have you been? Let's impute, because I don't know. I saw something like, is your business registered or so? So maybe they will be judging it with my registration. So let's put 6 to 12 months. Here was the name of the business. Digital network. So let me input this as it is on our CAC certificate. Alright, so yes, add a link to your social media business page. I don't have, I have, but I don't want to put what specific person do you offer business to business consultation, consultation, business stage and impact. So yes, This is a very important aspect of the opportunity. What stage is it just an idea? So you see that this opportunity provides you to actually pitch an idea. If you have a business idea, you can register. It's not a must that you actually have a product or you have a business running. You understand? So if it is also a minimum viable product ready, or you have a paying customer, or maybe you're already generating regular revenue. So yes, you're already generating regular revenue. How many customers have you served so far approximately? So let's say I've served up to 50 customers. And what has been your monthly revenue the last 3 months? 500,000 to one million. So goals, needs, and is your business registered? Yes. If no, it's registered. They shouldn't have asked this, but let's put no. Because if you do not feel it, you won't be able to move on with the registration. You understand? Are you currently assessing it for no? No. What are the 2 to 3 biggest challenges you face in your business currently? Let's say social media management. Social media management, yes. Maybe we're facing this management. And what else? And operations, business operations, like business operations. So I don't know if there is a room for me to improve or to explain further on this question, right? So what 3 skills or knowledge do you want to bring from this program? Let me add this. Let me add this. Social media management. So let me use this to explain the benefit of this program. One of the benefits is that there's expert-led sessions on business growth, marketing, finance, and funding. You understand? So you can use this opportunity to pitch what you really, really want. If you want access to finance, funding, or marketing, let them know. Also, you also have access to practical business resources, and this will be very, very useful for you. Panel sessions with successful student entrepreneurs, opportunity to pitch your business and get expert feedback, personalized mentorship and accountability, connect with other student founders and change makers across Africa, and also you have a chance to become a campus ambassador for Thrift Africa. You understand? So, if selected, what do you hope to achieve in your business through this program? Um, this question, let me see what else we have here. This is to know your motivation behind. Okay, why do you want to join the program? Do you have access? Okay, okay. So let's fill these two long answers question that we have here. All right, I'll get something across. Okay, so I'm joining the program to to gain more um more knowledge more knowledge on business business growth, marketing, finance, finance, and funding. Let me just keep it as simple as this. Since this is one of the why do you want to join? Okay, you selected how why do okay. I think I answered this question. Yeah. Let me just cut it and paste it back here. Alright, so what do you hope to achieve in your business through this program? Basically the reason why I'm applying for this program is to get access to funding. Basically, get access to funding. So to funding. So yes, you have a yes. Yes. Do you agree to commit for? Yes. Do you agree to engage with any content put up on platform we ask you to register on as request? Let me read this again. Do you agree to engage with any content you put up on platforms we ask you to register on as requested for by our program partners? This question is very, very, very sentimental. Like you really, really need to think about this question before you answer it. Well, let's put here. Let's put this because I'm sure this is one of their gain for the program. This is one of their gain for the program. So, um, not complying to it might actually restrict some things in your registration. You understand? It might actually restrict some things in your registration. So let's see what else we have here. This is the page 3, right? Okay. So, mentorship. Would you like to become mentored by industry experts for 6 to 8 weeks after the program? Yes. Yes. I think the okay, it's clicking now. Can you dedicate 3 hours weekly to be mentored and apply what you learn from the mentorship session? Yes. What three things would you like to learn from mentor assigned to you? One, use of AI in business. Yes. Market. Oh, what three things? I think they should allow us to select more than three. Since they are saying what three things, so let me pick the one that is important to me the most. If assigned a monitor, do you promise to show up to weekly meetings? Carry out. Yes. Next, let's see the last one we have here. Would you like to be part of our students? All right. Yes. If selected to be a student ambassador, can you devote 1 hour? Yes. If selected to be a yes. Actually, through WhatsApp. No, there's a link to join. Okay, submit. So let's see the link that we have to join. All right, a WhatsApp group, right? So I think I'll have to copy this because I can't join with my laptop. So that's all, guys. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more grants and business opportunity updates. Thank you.